10 Best Practices for WordPress Speed Optimization. Install a WordPress caching plugin. Caching improves website performance by saving and displaying content quickly to visitors instead of a server-busy message, especially during high traffic. It also helps with security issues like hacking attempts and denial of service. Optimize your images. Images enhance website content but can slow down loading times. For efficient photo optimization, upload small file-sized images and use plugins like WP Smush. Keep your site updated. Remove old posts for regular content upkeep. Update your old website version for optimal WordPress speed. You can use a child theme of your current theme, which allows you to change it without actually editing it. Use a content delivery network, CDN. CDN hosts your website's content on global servers, enhancing WordPress speed optimization and improving user experience. Popular providers include Cloudflare, Amazon CloudFront, and GoSquared. Don't upload multimedia files directly to your website. Optimize your website by avoiding direct uploads of multimedia content like audio or video files. Store them on a separate server, utilizing services like Amazon S3, Dropbox, or Cloudflare for faster performance across the globe. Use a theme optimized for fast loading. Free WordPress themes often slow down your site. Check your theme's speed optimization using Google's PageSpeed Insights for tips. A fast-loading theme is responsive and lightweight, employs gzip compression, defers CSS and JavaScript loading, and minimizes HTTP requests. Use faster plugins. Install third-party plugins optimized for performance. Some of the best plugins to speed up your WordPress are Cache Enabler, Lazy Load by WP Rocket, NitroPack, Perf Matters, Smush. Split long posts into pages. Optimize user experience by splitting lengthy blog posts into multiple pages. Utilize the Read More button or HTML to break content into manageable sections for smoother navigation. Limit post revisions. Set the number of post revisions when publishing posts on your WordPress site to see previous versions of a post, like comments and spelling errors. Access it through the WordPress admin panel, clicking on Posts and selecting Edit next to the post you wish to modify. Use DNS-level website firewall. Discover the power of a DNS-level website firewall, an uncommon yet effective security measure for your site. This tool not only safeguards against hackers, but also boosts WordPress performance by preemptively blocking malicious traffic before it reaches your server.